Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
A robust research ecosystem in a college campus is essential for fostering a dynamic and intellectually stimulating environment. It not only contributes to the growth and reputation of the institution, but also plays a vital role in addressing societal challenges and shaping the future through education and innovation. Keeping this in mind, Sri Ramakrishna College of Engineering, Coimbatore has developed an incubation center in collaboration with DST.
There is a research ecosystem developed in the campus. The faculty members are encouraged to do PhD. Once they acquired PhD, again they have to move to the next higher steps like becoming a supervisor for guiding the scholars, and the PhD holders are encouraged to submit the proposals to various funding agencies, and they have to develop their new products which are required for the corporates and society. We are standing at the DST sponsored incubation center, mainly focuses on the aluminium recycling. We are recycling the scraps of the aluminium material into a graded aluminium ingots. Initially, we have started our proof of concept along with our postgraduate students in the year 2016. We have conducted a lot of experiments related to materials and recycling of aluminium scraps. Over a period of time, the POC has matured.
So, conventionally what happens is, if they raise the melt to the temperature of 400 degrees centigrade or so, they add the turning scrap to the melt, and now again they raise the temperature. When you add the turning scrap to the melt, what happens is there is a sudden fall in the heat supplied to the ingots. So, what happens, the quality of the melt is getting disturbed and the turning chips gets evaporated, or it just floats on the surface forming the slag or dross. And again they raise the temperature to 600 degrees or 600 degrees centigrade, and now they add turning chips or boring chips. Now again the same problem repeats. This is not in my case. What I do is I raise to the maximum temperature. Now I add the turning chips or boring chips. Now I hold it for some time. I will gradually reduce it, and I make a control environment to produce the ingot.
After developing the technology, we have visited various MSMEs in and around Coimbatore and demonstrated the technology to them. The industry is also very happy to see the new technology of recycling of aluminium scraps. Now the facilities have been established to melt the aluminium scraps 1 ton per day. We are able to make it 30 tons minimum per month. So that capacity is well appreciated by the industries, and many industries have visited our technology center to see how the technology has been developed for recycling of aluminium. Presently, when we buy a primary ingots, the cost is very high. The conversion of the aluminium ore, alumina and aluminium ore, when we convert it, the cost is very much, and also impact on the environment is also huge. When we go for recycling of aluminium scrap, the cost is about 5 to 10% of the primary process. That is the advantage. Presently, industries are not doing this recycling of aluminium scraps. they simply give it to the vendors and dispose them off. Now, when the technology used, they can get a graded ingots from the scrap. Our institution is collaborating with a lot of industries, namely L&T Tech Services, GE Healthcare, and many other organizations. We are signing MOUs with the companies for the collaborative programs and research. Apart from that, industries are also establishing their centers of excellence in our college.
By actively engaging with the broader academic community, sharing resources and experiences, and fostering a culture of collaboration, this incubation center at SREC shows the way to prioritize and develop vibrant research ecosystems and motivate the stakeholders to invest in and promote research activities within their campuses.